Now this is the hot milk, and I'm gonna shake it in a way to make a more consistent milk. Then at a certain texture and consistency, then I'm gonna put it in the French press. But this is just to get steady better.
So tell me more about your store, Alejando.
Well, this is the only store in the world dedicated for non-conventional coffees only. By process, there's two: conventional and non-conventional. The non-conventional are two: semi-washed and unwashed. Semi-washed is when it's just removing the skin of the coffee, so it looks like honey, because caramelized sugars outside the bean of coffee. Now, in the other process, the unwashed, you just pick up the cherries, the fruit, when they are red, and they get dehydrated under the sun until it's ready. Then every other process gonna end the same: dehusking, so removing the husk and the peel itself, and to obtain green beans. Green beans is the grated seed of coffee, 10% moisture, and prepared according to different elements like size, the density, the process, the amount of defects allowed, and many other elements. Gonna make a green bean then.
Thank you. Okay.
Now we just finished doing this part. You see the consistency? It's very thick. Then I'm gonna put it here in the French press like this. Now I start from on the bottom to raise, to make it more volumetric.
I see, so it just goes up a little each time.
So this is gonna make it creamier, because it's losing temperature at the same time, so it's gonna make it more dense.
But you don't use milk, Alejandro.
This is milk.
This is milk?
Yes, yes.
Okay.
You can use regular milk and make it and put it on the fire. And in this case, I use powdered milk with water just to rehydrate it again. But at the end, it's just milk, hot milk. This part is gonna be the same. I put it in the blender to have always the same consistency. Now I just compress, because the mesh of the French press is having like very small holes, and that makes that I can make it more even, the bubbles, and much more tinier, much more smaller. So, see. So, now I'm gonna prepare the coffee. Like this. With the strainer. I use double strainer because then see 45 degrees each one, so you don't hit the surface, just to put gently and nicely. And now see the color pan here, and see how like a Christmas stuff.
That is beautiful.
You see?
So Alejandro, what would you like to say about people coming and learning more about your coffee?
Well, the first thing is to learn more about coffee and be a coffee enthusiast, and learn about all the different processes about coffee, and distinguish between qualities and origin and try to consume more regional coffees using direct deal. So you better, one way or another, meet someone at the region and bring your coffee home.
Thank you. Perfect.
That should be politician, right?